So yes, a lot can go wrong if you try to be together when you have not healed and you have this connection. It would be best to acknowledge, okay, you know what? We got some work we need to do. Let's work on ourselves in the meantime before we take that next step.
Can you heal while having sex with one or multiple partners for fun on the side?
I'm not going to say it's impossible, but again, highly unlikely. You also have to be honest with yourself. You may be having the sex because you're trying to distract yourself from the healing. I would suggest cutting that off if you're trying to heal.
Sometimes things take a lot longer to heal fully, but at least acknowledging and starting that process.
Because many are teaching you how to cope and manage and how to function within your brokenness, but they're not resolving it and helping you heal. This will now at least help us identify what you've been holding on to and where the hurt is and what needs to be properly addressed. All right. Well, first thing I want to say is now there are going to be times where sending the letter to the person is actually the best thing to do.
Really?
Now, in regards to knowing when you've properly healed, number one thing is when you can embrace being fully vulnerable with somebody. All right.